Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure critical data is safe, backup photos and contacts now, because this process erases user data. Once done, remove your Google account so factory reset protection won't lock you out later. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid shutdown mid-reset. Then power off the phone fully. When it's off, press and hold volume up and power together to boot into Android recovery. You'll see a text-based menu. That's where the reset happens. In recovery mode, use the volume keys to move through options and the power key to confirm selections. This tactile control avoids accidental taps. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. You'll be asked to confirm because this permanently removes all user files. Confirm yes and let the phone run. It can take several minutes as it erases user data and resets system settings to defaults. Once the wipe completes, you'll return to the recovery main menu. You're almost ready to restart. Select Reboot System now to finish. The phone will start fresh and present the initial setup screens where you can sign into accounts and restore backups. Make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi for app and system updates. If the device won't boot or gets stuck in a boot loop, go back into recovery, choose Wipe Cache Partition first, and reboot again. That clears temporary files without deleting your backup. If problems persist, try the steps again or seek service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.